In one of my channel, I got over 45,000 subscribers and the channel got demonetized. Here's what I want you to pick in this video. If you are a YouTuber or if you are aspiring to become a YouTuber, bent on working on your videos, bent on getting views, you get. As I say, post a video that is very educative that will keep your community strong. There are some people that once they post on this YouTube app, they'll start getting thousands of views. Do you know why? It's not because they are special. It's because of how far they have worked on their content. They work in a particular niche, and that's what kills one of my channel. And this channel you're seeing, so 45,000 subscribers. And that's what killed the channel. I was bent on getting view by all costs, not focusing on one niche. You get, that's what killed this channel. So I have to create a new one for me to start again. And here I'm posting tutorial videos, YouTube tips. You understand? This is what I post in this channel. Now, why am I saying this? Some people are just desperate to monetize their video, but their video is, there are some kind of video that YouTube will not pay you for. Sorry to say, yes, there are some kind of views that YouTube will not pay you for. For instance, you are uploading a video that someone have already uploaded before. You just make a change, or you just or do a duet content. For those of you that don't know what is duet content, is those kind of content that you cut someone's content and merge it with your own to post. You understand? And YouTube will not pay you for that kind of content. Rather, you will start getting issues. Example, copyright claim, copyright strike, and this affect your channel negatively. There's nothing that kills channel by you uploading someone else's content, though you make some changes, but YouTube do not always allow those kind of content. You understand? They want you to create your own. That's why you need to see YouTube as a place of market, as a place where you can sell your product. You can't tip someone else's product and go and sell it. No, you understand? YouTube is strictly meant for creators, people who dedicate their time to create content. So if you are one of those people that feel you can carry someone, you see, content that you can post on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, you cannot dare to post it on YouTube. If not, you kill your channel. And that's one of the things I suffer the most. You understand? So I'm sharing this life experience for people that are new, for you to what, make yourself, as in for you to know what you are going into. If you don't have time, don't even go into YouTube this thing. If not, your channel, because one of the key things that makes people to get a lot of views is consistency. At least one video per day, one video per day. You understand? Inside a week, let's just say we have seven days inside a week. Inside a week, you post like 5 videos, it's still allowed. But not you posting once in a week. No, your channel will never ever grow. And your niche matters a lot. Your niche matters a lot. You can't pick a random niche and just, you have to settle down. People that are making a hell lot of money, a whole lot of money on this app, is people that what, dedicate their time, people that have something to offer upstairs. Yes, people that have something to offer, because for you to teach somebody, for you to give a tutorial video, you must have something upstairs for you to dish out to people. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joshua, and this is not my first YouTube channel, but I'm just trying to grow this one up. So if you like what I'm doing, or if you love my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.